This is page number 3 and this is page number 4. In hurry, he hits his foot with the wood. This is a pot. Its color is red. The pot is on the stove. These are two burners. This is oven. This is a pot. Its color is blue. This is a pot. These are vegetables. This is a frying pan. Its colors are grey and black. The pan is on the stove. These are 4 sauces bottles. These are 3 spatulas. These are vegetables. This is a cutting board. This is a knife. This is a fridge. Its color is grey. This is a wood. Its color is brown. This is a piece of meat. This is a meat cutter. This is a cook. The cook is wearing uniform. His uniform color is white. This is a book. The cook is reading a book. In hurry, he hits his foot with the wood.